Hey guys, Tony. So my other, the second other microcap crypto that I actually just purchased is BLOK. I bought it at like 30 cents. Again, same thing. It has about a 500 into the. It's funny because LSS actually had about a $9 million market cap when I bought it. BLOK has a $510,000 market cap as of right now. And the reason why I'm buying it is because on Kucoin, it is the second, as you can see here, on TradingView, it's the second most popular crypto on TradingView when you filter it by KuCoin. So on KuCoin, it's the second most popular one that's actually being looked on outside of KuCoin, and I think that's an extremely good sign. The fact that it's number two on the top searches, it means it's extremely popular. And I think it's gonna keep running. Apart from the TA looking really good. And again, not doing this to shill anything, right? It definitely has a low market cap, so if a bunch of people see it, it can definitely run. But after looking at this, I'm probably gonna end up buying another 500 bucks. Because if, as of right now, my $500, if this ends up being $1 billion valuation someday in the future, this 500 bucks would be worth close to $1 million, right? If I end up doing $1,000, I think it'd be closer to like 2.5, something like that. I think I did the math. I think it's like a 1,930 multiple if it goes to $1 billion. So whatever you invest right now, multiply it by $1,900, right? 1,900x basically. But I think BLOKTOPIA is gonna get a bunch of really good publicity, and BitBoy Crypto is actually also involved in this project. So I think I hate using the word shill, but I'm pretty sure he's gonna shill this to like all his following and stuff. But I'm probably gonna buy another like 500 bucks of this just to kind of have it in there. BLOKTOPIA is basically, it's my first gaming token. It's my first gaming crypto, and it's focused on sort of like the MetaVerse on a 21 level stack. Like MetaVerse, that you can do different stuff, and it's supported by these huge like social media people. And I think this is basically the ground floor at like 0.3 cents at a market cap of, what is this, $510,000? Like, that's pretty insane. I mean, I only put 500 bucks in this. Mine is already worth 680. I'm probably gonna do another 500 bucks to accumulate like another possibly 18K block. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.